Hello everyone, good morning. So I figured I would start vlogging again today. It is a Wednesday around 10 a.m. I just finished up filming my Get Ready With Me, which you guys would have seen already at this point. So if you didn't and you like my makeup look, I will link that for you guys right up here so you can go check that out. I am about to go get my lashes filled in. I figured I would take you guys along with me. The next couple of weeks are gonna be crazy, so I figured why not vlog, right? So I'm on my way now, and I'm actually also getting my eyebrows microbladed on Friday before my final walkthrough, which I just forgot about until now. I haven't done it in a really long time, probably since the last time I filmed it, but I really wanted to try it again because my eyebrows definitely lightened up a lot, and with summer coming, I figured why not give it another try. So that is the plan. So I am in like sweatpants and a tank top right now and like full glam, but that is basically my life. I get ready, and normally I would just be sitting home editing and I would eventually wash my face, but I actually do have to leave the house today, so at least one or two people will get to see this makeup look, which I actually really like. And I'm not sure about this foundation though. It's a little like almost cakey-ish, but I'll let you guys know in a couple hours what I think of it. But it covers nicely, and I like how it's super matte, but I'm not sure about it yet, so I will keep you guys posted. Bye. Bisous, bye.
Bisous, bye.
Bisous, bye. Ciao. Just got my lashes done, looking good and fresh. I love them. I swear I'm addicted to them. They're just amazing. Hi, baby chai. Look at my tiny little nugget. Let's go. Come on, Miss Grandma. Look how she walks. I swear she looks like a grandma. Come on, ladies. Oh, we got our gentleman too. Come on, let's go upstairs. Come on, Barry. Yeah, let's go. And who is my other grandma cutie nugget? This, my friends, is what life is all about. Got 1 kitty, 2 kitty, 3 kitty, 4 kitties. She kills me though. Chai! What are you doing, girl? Hi. Barry. Hi, mommy. Alright, I have to edit. Shout out to Smashburger for having vegan burgers. Good morning. I am super dolled up for the morning. I actually had to just take a photo for a company that I'm working with. Hence, this at 9 o'clock in the morning. I have a lot of errands today, and my cousin's cat actually had kittens. So I'm totally gonna go down there later and go see them, and you guys get to see them too. I was just watching her live video, and she showed them, and they're so cute and they're so squeaky, and I'm just obsessed. So I have a bunch of errands, like I said, to run first, and then I'm gonna head down that way. I'm also gonna be doing a workout class with my sister. I've done it a couple times and I absolutely love it. So that is my plan for today. I'm gonna grab a drink, and then I have to run to the mall. I have to, my dad's phone broke, and he has like, I'll show you what he has. He has this iPhone, in case you think this one looks big, this is mine. And it's completely shattered, so I'm gonna go get him a new iPhone while he's working. And I have to return, I have a couple things that I bought from Sephora and they showed up broken. And I bought them like 3 months ago, so I'm hoping that they'll still take them back because they're Natasha Denona and they're expensive. I just honestly haven't had a minute to go to the mall since I ordered them, so I'm hoping I can exchange those. And then I'm filming a video for Sunday, and I just wanted to pick up like 1 or 2 items that I didn't have. So I tried that new foundation that I used from my video yesterday. I wanted to try it one more time because I was a little unsure of it yesterday, and I honestly don't really like it. It looks kind of cakey and not cute. So I hate when I'm sitting here vlogging and people are like looking at me. So yeah, I'm not really a fan. The Becca one, Let me know if you guys have tried it and your thoughts. So I just wanted to also say thank you guys so much. I know I opened up a little bit more in my Get Ready With Me video, and your comments. It's so crazy to see how many people are going through the same situation or a similar situation, and if anything I said could have helped you in any way, like, that makes me so happy. And just seeing some of you also having a similar story to me and letting me know that now, like, you're married with kids because you did make the right decision, like, that also means a lot to me as well. So it's so nice. Like, I don't know why sometimes I feel hesitant to, like, share more personal details, because I mean, I know why, because there's so many people now that are following me. So it's like, sometimes I think, like, no, people don't want to hear about, like, my problems, my life, like, stuff like that. But the more that I talk, the more that I realize, like, that's why I feel like my channel got successful when it did, was because I was so open with you guys, and, you know, I shared some of my scenarios and how I dealt with them. And it's a beautiful thing seeing, like, comments back and forth where people that don't even know each other are giving advice, and it's just like, I feel like it's like a nice forum, a positive forum, no one talking shit, everyone just being, like, super helpful and loving, and that seriously makes me so happy. So if my channel can be a space like that, I think that to me is, like, my main goal and all that I want. And I always said that I feel I've been given this platform to do more and to help people, and sometimes I get, like, really hard on myself and I feel super frustrated because I want to be doing so much more than just makeup, but sometimes I have so many ideas and I don't even know where to begin. So that to me was like a little spark of, like, you know what, I need to talk more about what I'm going through and my advice, because I've lived it, and when people have gone through things and can share their experience, people listen to that and people can relate to that. So thank you, I love you guys, and I promise to be more open in my videos. Just pulled up to Danny's house. Took like an hour with traffic. I'm so excited to see these kitties. I am gonna go love them so much. Hi. Oh my god, they're so small. Oh my god, what do I do?
They're so big at this point. Oh my
no,
they were so much
these
smaller.
Tiny things. Oh my god. She's a baby, so these things.
I know, she's so
Can I pet them? Is she gonna bite me?
Yeah.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah. What are you doing? Are you stretching?
Wanna smell me? Wait, let her smell me so she's. Look. No.
Okay.
Wait, let me pet her. Hi, Auntie. Salem.
Although Toni's taking this one and already named it.
Look at you. Look at you, tiny tot. Look at you. When we go and buy everything at Petco.
Well, your little nieces and nephews.
Oh. You guys don't even understand. You just don't. Oh my goodness, tiny. Look at you. Look at you, look at you. What? What? You're pulling my shirt down. You're cute. What? What? Oh, did I wake you? I'm sorry, mister. Where are you trying to go? Look, we got a new tree, the new little bed. So I didn't end up going to the gym because how could I leave these little things? We went to Petco and Walmart. Oh, I swear this one I want. Look at this position. Let me see this. Oh yeah. Oh, you're so cute.
So Carly wants to take the one with.
He comes. Look, he wants to come back to me.
Hi.
Look, he wants to. Is it the recording?
Oh my god. Hello, Boots.
Oh,
I missed it.
Honey.
Hey.
Hi, Boots.
Oh.
Say, I want to go home with you, Auntie Car. I want to go home with you, Auntie Car.
No, stop.
Oh.
Look at the belly.
Was I not bleeding?
No, you were, but hold it that way because it'll work better.
Hi, beautiful girls.
Everyone's gonna tell me you have shaky hands. It's that good? Yeah. Good morning. It is 9:30. I'm going to get my eyebrows microbladed. I set my alarm for so much earlier than when I woke up, but I was so tired. My dad wakes me up at like 1:30 because he's making veggie burgers, and he's like, "You want a burger?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I do." So I ended up having a veggie burger at about 1:30 in the morning, which I hate eating late. Not that I would ever normally eat that late, but I still feel full, which is just lovely. So I'm a little extra tired this morning. I had gotten them done like 2 or 3 times last year. If you guys want to see like a full video of that, I'll link my blog where I showed like every little detail of it. I definitely like it. It adds a little bit more like color and depth to my eyebrows. So when I do get them done, I don't like them too crazy, like dark or powerful, because my whole reasoning for wanting the brows is so when I have zero makeup on, I look natural. And same thing with my lashes. Everyone's always like, "Oh, that's natural." I'm like, no, they're eyelash extensions. So how freaking cute were those baby kitties yesterday? I never made it to my workout class. Oh, they're just so tiny. I've never seen something so tiny and so cute. Like, I swear my whole life has changed now that I've witnessed that and got to experience that. I told her, I'm like, that is literally my dream of life. Like, imagine just waking up one day, because she didn't realize her cat was pregnant, because she had 2 outdoor cats that she was feeding while she was living in her last place, and she had them inside like here and there. But when she moved, obviously she wanted to take them because she fell in love with them and they fell in love with her, and she didn't realize that the girl was pregnant. So she just wakes up one day to little squeaky noises because she gave birth. So like I said, that is like my dream of life. Like, just wake up with 4 baby kittens just right next to you. Like, that doesn't happen. Well, I mean, it does happen, apparently, because it did happen. But I swear cats are just the most precious creatures. You guys need to get one. Or 2. Actually, you need at least 2. Here with the brow queen.
Hi, everybody.
We did it with no numbing cream last time, so.
This will be easy.
Yeah. It's funny because whenever I tell people about it, they're like, "Oh my god, doesn't it hurt so bad?" I'm like, honestly, no. So you do like regular brows here too? Like,
yes,
just shaping and like tinting and all that?
Yeah, I have a lot of clients.
I actually had someone ask me if I knew a brow place that did brows. I didn't realize you do.
Yeah, we do all that.
You do it all.
We do that, we do the dermaplaning, we do the microneedling.
Looks so good already. This other one though. This other one though. She's like, so this is my new shade, imagine.
This is my Walmart brow. Walmart.
I'm sure people go in though, like to the people that aren't really trained in microblading, and come out with brows that look like that.
Oh yeah, I fix those people all the time.
So I just ran home really quickly because I had no makeup on my forehead. I am grabbing another coffee and I'm heading down for my final walkthrough. I'm so excited. I haven't been to the house in probably like 2-3 weeks now, so I'm so excited to see it all finished. Oh, I'm so excited, honestly. I know as soon as I see it, I'm gonna like want to move in instantly, and I haven't even started packing. So for the walkthrough, it's like 2 hours and we have to walk around, make sure everything's perfect. So that is the plan. My brows are looking fresh. They look so good. I love them. Floors. I love the floors. Here they're like 3 different shapes. I mean sizes. I love it. Hi. Hi. Liquor in hand. Let's go. We have celebrations tonight. Hi.
Carli, because
What are you doing?
Tiny world. Wait, show the screen.
Say hi. You want to show me what?
My slime.
Oh, your slime again. Hold on, let me get out my handy dandy
phone.
Flashlight.
I love slime.
Why do you love slime?
This is so cool.
Ew.
You're
It looks like veiny.
veiny.
No, you're veiny.
It's cloud slime. It's
What is-
all over the YouTube.
Yeah. Brooke! What just happened?
Holy crap. I didn't know you were going to sit down.
Debate for YouTube.
Yeah.
Which one do you think it is? Yummy or Laurel?
Yanny.
Yummy.
Yanny.
Laurel.
Yummy.
What is he saying?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah. Right.
Yummy.
He hears it saying Laurel.
I hear Laurel. Are you
It's saying yummy.
Yammy.
Annie.
Yanny.
You're saying Laurel?
He hears it say Laurel. No,
Listen,
people hear it say
everybody
Laurel.
on TV
Listen.
thinks it's Laurel.
I was trying real hard to hear Yanni, but no.
They hear Laurel. Look at baby Colin, my tiny nugget. Baby Brooke and baby Colin.
That's not me.
Oh my god, my favorite little tiny nuggets. When did you get so big and mean?
Got 16 more subscribers.
16 more.
16
more. Oh, we got Melissa and Suri and Kenzie and
That's
JF1.
One more.
Oh my god!
She had 6 million!
Did I? Yes!
It's all because of you guys!
All because of you. I love you. What time is it?
Congratulations.
Thank you.